There's a hidden trick out there of how to make more profit per order on merch by Amazon, and today I'm going to show you what this trick is and how you can utilize it. So because I've been selling on merch for about 3 years now, I've kind of always known about this, but I've never really sort of paid much attention to it or really taken advantage of it. I have done that recently and tested it out, and this is why I'm telling you about it now, so you can take advantage of it as well. And basically, if you've ever sold something in the UK and it was on youth sizing for kids, then you may have noticed that your profits were way higher than the estimation in the uploader from Merch by Amazon. An example here would be if you sell a t-shirt in the UK for just $14.99, you would typically make about £2 profit if it's sold for men or women, when £2 is coming up to $3. If you actually sell this on a kid's sizing, then this number jumps up to £4.24, which is nearly $5. And I think that's crazy, considering to make about $5 in the US market, you have to price your shirt at $19.99, but you can do it in the UK for $14.99 on kids clothing. And there's a simple answer to why this is happening. It's not explained very well, or I've never really seen anyone talk about this. Basically, the kids clothing in the UK has no tax added to it. So if you go onto a shop, you buy something for your young kid, there's no tax on it, meaning it is cheaper and easier for parents to buy clothes for their children. This also applies to our Merch by Amazon products, which is really cool because you can literally price your products as low as £11.99 on the UK marketplace, and you still make about $2 profit. And it's obviously quite easy to make a sale for £11.99. In the US, you can't even price something that low. And also for kids clothing, you wouldn't make extra profit. So it's definitely something to consider. I've started designing way more kids stuff and priced it really low to get a few first sales, and then just upping the price a few pounds to actually make a decent royalty. So I've actually prepared a little table right here so you get a bit of an overview. I've looked through my recent orders, and I'll also put up a screenshot right here from one of my last days where quite a few kids designs sold, so that you actually see that this is truly happening before you like go ahead and do it, feel like you might waste your time on it. It is definitely a thing. The shirts you see in the screenshot are priced at $15.99, one of them is priced at $14.99. So here in the table, we've always got the retail price, then in the middle, profit that you get in pounds, and on the right side, I've got a rough estimation in dollars. At the moment, this might be a bit different because the pound's dropped a lot in value, but essentially, usually it will be about $6 profit for a t-shirt that sells for $15.99, which is crazy. And I've never sold shirts that are way higher in price for youth, at least as far as I can remember. But just imagine if you actually managed to sell something at like £17.99, $19.99 for kids. That would literally make you like $8 or $9 profit. So that's probably very unlikely because it's still kids clothing, right? People want it to be cheaper. But if you look at the lower numbers right here, $11.99, £2 profit, roughly $2, and $13.99 is already a really, really decent royalty. And it's priced so low, right? $13.99 is nothing. And yeah, I sell a lot of these kids clothes now. I've been designing more, uploading more, and I think you should take advantage of this as well. And if you're not sure what to actually design, taking a look at a Merch by Amazon t-shirt right here on the British marketplace, we've got kids sizing selected. Well, it's the only option. And if we look through the sizes, it ranges from 2 years old all the way to 12 years. So that's the ages that you would be targeting. And now I'll also quickly jump into PODCS to just scroll through some British bestsellers to give you a bit of an idea of what you should maybe try and sell. So here we are inside of PODCS, and the way I got to this page right here showing the British results is I went to Merch by Amazon tool, product research, and then I selected the professional product research tab, and you can filter it up here by marketplaces. So now it's only showing the bestsellers in Great Britain at the moment. If you want to try PODCS yourself, it will be linked at the top of the description. And yeah, so basically what can we see? We can see some birthday designs also crossed with gaming. One thing you could do is you could try and make birthday designs for 2 to 12-year-olds, because that's the age group that the youth sizing is for. You could cross it with different topics than just gaming. Think of other hobbies or interests that kids really like. And here we've got a topic that's very popular in the UK. It is cricket. That's a sport that a lot of people play here, including kids. So you could maybe have a look into the cricket niche. Actually type in cricket at the top of the search mask, or just search the Amazon marketplace and see what sort of designs sell, which sort of designs have lots of reviews. So cricket, that's one sport to consider. We've also got rugby right here. So rugby is another popular sport here. Definitely an idea. Football is very, or Americans call it soccer. That's very famous here. Most people are probably interested in football, but there'll be more competition, so definitely don't ignore things like rugby, cricket. I've seen quite a few fishing designs sell, so you could try and do fishing designs that are aimed more at children. Maybe do some connection where the kid is fishing with the dad or something like that, because that would probably be often the case. There's another fishing design. We've got trains. That might be a good idea. A lot of children are interested in trains or just vehicles in general. So yeah, there's plenty of ideas. Just scrolling through the best sellers right here. I would also recommend literally just aiming your shirts at kids and only selecting the kid's size if this is like the route that you want to go down. So I hope that gave you a bit of an idea of what to do. Obviously, do more of your own research. Don't just jump straight into it. Try and come up with some good ideas that people are actually going to be interested in and make them look unique, high quality, then upload them, price them as low as possible. You will still make a decent amount of profit, and then once you've got a few sales, up the price. So I hope this video helps you increase your profit on merch by Amazon, at least in the UK marketplace. And if you're still looking for more niche ideas because you're not sure what to sell, then I've got the perfect video for you right here, which is 101 profitable evergreen niches, and I also show you tips of how to enter them successfully.